Hey guys, welcome back to JD's River Hunt. Got all our stuff packed this morning. We just got back from work yesterday, so I flew in from northern Alberta and in Calgary right now, and we're gonna try a lake down in Spray Lakes. We're gonna head down to Spray Lakes. It says it's quite a ways. Probably an hour and 45 minutes from my place, or an hour and 50 minutes. So hopefully we got all our stuff, because I'm not sure. I was got up at 4 this morning and started packing stuff. So hopefully we got everything. I hope. But yeah, we should be good. Got my tarps too, so not my tarps, my foam cushions to put on if we put the tent up, the ice fishing tent. So, and today it's actually really nice today. It's only -5, so it'll be a good day. So yeah, so we're gonna head down there right now, and yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so my phone is using off and maps now, so we got no service where we are right now. And we got another 40 minutes to go, so I don't know if we have service at all up this way. I have no idea. We'll find out soon enough. I don't know which lake this is. Let's see which lake this is. What lake is this? I don't know. I just seen two people right there getting ready to go fish. I don't know what lake this is, but I don't know if I can see. Oh, it's the Lower Kananaskis lake they were at right here. So yeah. I never went to that lake, but I know we're going to Spray Lakes to try it. I the first time coming up this way, and wow, there is a lot of mountains, and this road is just winding everywhere. Yes, really slippery. You're just driving through the mountains. Pretty cool. If you guys never came up this way, it's gonna be my first time, so we're gonna try to figure out where the fish are at, so hopefully we get some. Oh yeah, this is a windy road, just goes up and up and down. We're going up right now. Didn't put much dirt on the road. I think they just plowed this road, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see. But today you don't need a pass. Usually in Kananaskis you need a pass, but I guess today is a Wilderness Day. We're January 7th, so yeah, so that's all right. I didn't have to get a pass, so yeah. So well, once we get there, we'll try and get some fish. Figure out where we're gonna go. There must be a parking spot there somewhere. So yeah, catch you guys later. Yeah, she's snowing now, like a snowstorm. Not like one, it is. Gotta love the mountains. Can hardly see anything again. Sweet. This is gonna be fun. Not every day you see that. Moosey, don't come towards my truck, because Hope not. Come on, move it, guys. I gotta try and move it. Come on, guys. Sorry. I don't want to bother you guys, but... Well, it's nice to see that. 2 moose right here when we're driving in. And they're still there, yeah. We're gonna get our stuff out of the truck here and head her down there real quick, but yeah. Alright, so we got all our stuff packed. So we're gonna head down there right now and yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna start setting up right here to try. Quite a bit of water. We might have to go on the side to try and get some whitefish, but we'll try it real quick here. I know there's lake trout, so let's just try it and see. All right. Try this little kind of dinner bell, and we're gonna put some maggots on it, red ones, just to see if this is gonna work. 40 feet of water is really deep for whitefish, but we might have to go to the side if we want to catch some mountain whitefish. It's really beautiful here. It's something. I never thought it was like this, but yeah, it's beautiful. Driving this morning, it was crazy. We got one, but we lost it. Somewhere else because it's too deep here. A little bit shallower. We're gonna go in a little bit shallower because here just 40 feet and it's too deep. So yeah. Well, here we're in like 11 feet of water here, so we're like in 11 feet of water here, so we'll try it here to see. All right, I got one. Got something. All right. Woo. Just caught one. Whoop. Just caught one whitefish. Whitefish. Happy for that. So now we're gonna try again. All right. Some more. Yeah, so it's a pretty nice day out here today. It's not too cold. We just caught that one, that whitefish right there, where we're keeping today, so we're allowed to have 5 of them. So I just caught one, so we'll see if we can catch some more. This is the first time I ever came here, and it's, yeah, this is it's unbelievable, the mountains here. It's something else. So if you guys got a chance to come here, definitely come out here. It's beautiful. Yeah. All set up because it started being really windy outside, so I just set everything up just to be in here. Now we're gonna, the water's right clear here, like you can see the bottom, like I look in the hole and it's right clear, you see the rocks, everything. I couldn't believe it a while ago. I just dropped it and bang, caught that whitefish. Yeah, it's a long drive to get here. It's like 2 hours and 40 minutes, something like that. Yeah, it's a long drive. It's nice though. Oh my god, the mountains here is incredible. I forgot how nice it was coming up here this way. I just went to Banff like when I first moved to Calgary, and I never came back this way. This is the first time I come back in the mountains here. I think when we leave, we're gonna go towards Camrose because we came in the other way of the park. But yeah, it's really nice. Let's see what it says. I know there's some people that fish here before and they say, oh, it's the morning that's the best, but also before we found the place, it was like snowing. I don't know how much here. I ended up, I was on the south side of the lake. Yeah, I took the wrong road, so I had to go all around and come to the north here. That's all right. There's a fish. I see that there's a fish here. Boom. Let's try to get this fish. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. You know you want it. Come on. Come on. There's a nice fish that I just marked too. Come on, fishy. Oh, that was a fish. Oh, that breaks my heart. I couldn't get it. Oh, no. Oh, that would have been so sweet. Oh, we'll just keep on fishing. You know there's fish, so that's a good sign. Well, it's 1:20 right now. We only had that one fish that came real quick. Jawjackers set outside here. Pretty dark in here. Blackout. She's pretty bad though. Look, you're starting to see right through it everywhere. All the little nicks. Yes, sirree. This is our first time coming here, so trying to find where all the fish are at. Right now we're in 15 feet of water. So yeah, a while ago what I did, I just dropped down to the bottom and I just hit against the bottom, and then I just marked the whitefish. Came right for my bottom spoon. The knockoff dinner bell. Yeah, that's what he hit on. Pretty sweet. It's a cheaper version. I wasn't sure if a whitefish would hit like on a spoon that big, but yeah, he hit it. I know that now, and that's my first whitefish ever, so yeah, I'm quite happy for that. There'll be some coming soon. We're gonna have a little bit of tinnies. At least the wind died down. When we first got here, it was a snowstorm. It was bad. But it got better. Now all we need is to catch a couple more fish. Oh, look at that. Oh yes, Tim is. Liquid gold. Oh, there's a flooring thing that I put down, this mat. Like it really keeps it warm in here. It's actually, it really works. That black matting, I just got it off of Amazon. Yeah, it's worth it. Like, really worth it. Well, first day, got home yesterday from work and just decided to try here at Spray Lakes. I wanted to try for a whitefish, and I got one whitefish. I'm happy that I got one. That's what I wanted. So there's a couple people fishing here. I don't know if they're doing any good, but there's two guys right beside me here, and then after that they moved further down here. Let's see where they're at. Look at that. Now that's crazy. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Like, look at the mountains over here. It's crazy to be able to come and fish here and see all of this. Really is something. Well, we got all our stuff packed. Yeah, we're gonna head her out. We caught one whitefish. I'm happy with that. It's my first ever whitefish. Well, mountain whitefish. So, yeah, really happy with that, and it's beautiful here. Like, yeah, if you guys are looking to go out, like here it's a little bit windy, sometimes. So, but I mean, you can go right like where those guys are. Like the ramp is right there. That's where my truck's parked. So you can go like right close. That's where they're fishing right there. So I didn't go there because they were already there. So I came this way, but it's my first time coming here. So next time maybe we'll catch more. So yeah. So we're gonna pack this up and head out. So don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.